Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. Happy fall for whichever way you may celebrate it. It is time to conclude my unintentional three-part series of building relationships with students by recognizing their personal backgrounds. In this video, I'm actually going to share two stories about students and name pronunciation. Early in my career as a high school teacher, I had a student who had a name on my roster that was a family name. However, the student asked me to call them by their Americanized nickname. I told the student I wanted to pronounce their name correctly, but they asked me to respect their choice and use the Americanized name, just not as in so many words. However, more recently, I had an elementary student who was so excited that I pronounced their name correctly. This name was also a unique family name that had sounds not usually used in the English language. I was familiar with these sounds due to my background in exploring different languages. How a teacher addresses students can be a challenging experience in the United States as of October 2023. So, what can you take from these two stories? It is important to affirm the correct pronunciation of names. However, it is also important to respect that students may have different names they want to be called as much as you can, depending upon the regulations of your educational institution. It has been shown in numerous studies that the more a speaker uses a person's name, the more likely that person will respond. Still, every day, remember you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.